दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है अगेन रैंडम सोच यूट्यूब चैनल में। और अभी हम ऑन बोर्ड है और लेट्स सी आज हम थर्ड ऑफिसर के साथ यहाँ डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ। और चलते हैं उसके कैबिन में, क्या कर रहा है वो। अभी थर्ड ऑफिसर के कैबिन में पहुंच चुके हैं और वो दरवाज़ा खोल रहा है। हेलो थर्ड।
Hello.
यस, सो आज वी विल डिस्कस विद थर्ड ऑफिसर। सो अभी देखो क्या कर रहा है वो। ओह वेरी नाइस, यू आर सिटिंग वॉचिंग मूवी।
Yeah, I'm watching movie.
Very nice. So, can we talk something about your ship?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So, see,
Hi
this
guys.
third officer is here, and we will discuss something about his life, how he is doing on board. So, let's something we discuss and something we chit chat and about your vessel.
Okay.
So, actually, what you are doing in the vessel?
Me,
Yeah.
I'm a navigating officer,
Okay.
and I'm a third officer.
Oh, very nice. So, guys, he's a third officer.
Yes, I'm.
So, in our channel, Random Soch, he is here and we are on board. So, let's discuss how his life is going on, and how he is living.
Okay.
So,
So-
tell me something. Yeah, how you join the merchant navy and how you come to here like this.
Okay, it's a funny story. Yeah? If you want to hear about that.
Yeah, please, of course. We want to listen.
My village is like fully Siemens,
Uh-huh.
and when I was doing 12th standard, one of my friend's father, his name is Angelo Vanher,
Oh.
and his father, there was parents teachers meeting.
Uh-huh.
So he came to our school. Like I bought my mother, and he bought his father, and his father was like planning for him to join merchant navy.
Okay.
So I
For
was
him, huh?
yeah, for him.
Okay.
So I was planning to do some engineering stuff, some electrical engineering. And his father told my mother like there is big future in this merchant navy. After that, about we can become charterers and everything. So his father is actually pumpman. He's working as a pumpman in Anglo Eastern.
तो वो दे आर थिंकिंग कि बड़े आगे जाके कप्तान बनेगा,
कप्तान-
वो इधर छापेगा.
Same. He was telling my mother the same story. Mother was also okay, and I was also fascinated about that, and my friend was also going to do that.
मर्चेंट
So,
नेवी.
yeah.
ओके.
So yeah, let's join. So
लेकिन उस समय आपको कुछ भी नहीं पता था मर्चेंट नेवी के बारे
no,
में.
I know my village is like nearly 900 Siemens are there.
Okay.
Approximately.
तो आपको मर्चेंट नेवी के बारे में काफी कुछ जानकारी थी.
Yes.
So after that, what how you gone?
So after that, 12th standard completed, and I tried with executive shipping management for
Okay.
Samudra Shipping, and I've tried, but I unfortunately haven't gone through because I just gone to the exams. First was online exams, I
Okay.
cleared it. Then after in the interview, I think I haven't performed well.
Like
So-
IMU exam, right?
No, it's not IMU exam. It's sponsorship exam through executive shipping management (DNS) course.
Okay.
So after that, okay, I dropped it, but my father told, "Don't lose hope."
Come on.
Come on.
You can do it.
Then I tried. Then I got with Wales International College. Sorry,
हाँ.
Wales School of Maritime Studies and Education.
इस चेन्नई में है ना?
या चेन्नई में. तो उसमें ज्वाइन किया, फिर 3 साल का BSc किया.
Okay.
फिर
So
ज्वाइन
आप
किया.
डिप्लोमा करने जा रहे थे. After that you go into the graduation.
Yes, BSc Nautical Science. Then
Okay.
after that, I have done my cadetship in Unimar Shipping Management with 2 ships.
Okay.
I done 21 months.
Mhm.
After that, I gone for exams in Chennai MMD. Cleared exams. Now, this is my third contract as third mate.
Very good.
Now I am expecting promotions. Sir. So you should guide me. Second officer is like good guy. He's teaching me everything about second mate's job. Now I am learning how to become a second mate also.
Of course.
So
Yeah,
let's
you
see
will
in
be.
future. Let's hope so.
My luck is with you. Mine,
Thank you so
मेहनत
much.
is with you. तो
Okay.
देखो, मतलब देख रहे हैं आप लोग.
Yeah.
इसका दोस्त जा रहा था करने और कहाँ से कहाँ आप आ गए हैं? आप इंजीनियरिंग कर, यू आर गोइंग फॉर द इंजीनियरिंग?
Engineering, yes. I was like planning for engineering and electrical engineering, electrochemical engineering, if you
Okay.
tell, because my mama in Mumbai, he was like during my 11th, he visited me.
हाँ,
So he told me like to do electrochemical engineering to do this battery and stuff.
okay,
So I was fascinated about that first.
okay.
Then when he told this, okay, let's switch to merchant navy. So,
कि आप इधर भी इलेक्ट्रिशियन बन सकते हो।
yeah, but electrician is not good, but captain sounds good, right?
Correct. Sound also matters, no?
Yeah.
So after like at what time, like in which year you pass out?
I passed out 2020. 2017 I joined.
So to 20 you pass out.
Yeah.
So after how much you time duration taken for
I did
join-
20,
for
20,
joining this year?
yeah, 20 May I passed out from college, and in exactly at January, 21st January, 2021 January, I think 28 if I'm not wrong, I joined my first shift.
So basically, it's not too much time you
Yes.
have. So you got the ship. Like you have some reference or something. What?
Yeah, you can call that reference actually. In my village, one guy suggested this one, and I found it.
Okay. Because I think for the cadetship, initial entering is very
Yes,
tough
yes,
job.
Yes. I was like trying through many agencies and too many agents, and nearly most of my batchmates got scammed. They even quit the merchant navy. I know plenty of guys like 3 lakhs, 4 lakh rupees, an agent cheated them and they quitted. They are suffering now.
So can you tell my viewers
Yeah.
that this is very important part, क्योंकि जब आप जाते हो इनिशियल में, so everyone thinking कि मर्चेंट नेवी बहुत अच्छा है,
No.
बहुत अच्छा है, और we will like job like this. When they are entered and then they come into the trap, तब पता चलता नहीं यार, very big scam है।
Yeah.
क्योंकि मैंने देखा
Like
है।
I will tell you an example which I was joining as a deck cadet, the first shift, and there was an engine cadet who joined with me. Together we were joining, like 5 people, and this engine cadet, what was his name was, I don't want to tell his name.
Okay.
So by paying money, okay. So first ship, we joined in Singapore, and the vessel was going to Vietnam for discharge. And during that, South China Sea,
Correct.
very rough weather, and vessel was rolling like hell. Look, I used to go for fishing, so nothing happened to me. But he was like full vomiting, and chief engineer gave him full rest. So even after resting, he could not survive. He could not eat.
Okay.
His tongues became like patches,
Oh.
blood patches in his tongues. And he came to bridge with the sign off letter. He just slept on the bridge in front of master. Please send me home. And that master was Filipino, and he told him, okay, I will send this to company. But once he gone down, captain told me, I'm not sending this to company because I don't want to spoil his future.
Okay.
Seasickness, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, he will be all right.
Okay.
So, but that instant, if there was some other master, like if he
Correct.
send that to company, his whole future is spoiled, right?
Correct.
That much money in the pre-sea and for this one, everything. But after that, after 2 weeks, he was like jumping around.
But the thing is, it is like you are used to it.
Yes.
But in the starting, once you come from the land,
Yes.
you are where is your land is like shaking, huh?
Yes.
So
Yes.
it is like that.
Yes.
लगता है इनिशियली लोगों को कि बहुत अच्छा है मर्चेंट नेवी है। लाइक आप जब शुरुआत में आते हैं, आप जुड़ते हैं, और जब आप इस टाइम पीरियड एंजॉय कर लेते हैं, लाइक आप वो स्ट्रगल फेस कर लेते हो, देन यू फील ओके, दिस इज ओके. बट इनिशियल टाइम, लाइक यू सेड, कंटिन्यू vomiting, and he is not even stable.
Yes. And whatever food he cannot eat, like your mind will not accept the food.
Correct.
So there will be no energy also.
And this like seasickness, this name is like seasickness.
Yeah.
But who feels that only he knows.
Yes.
Seasickness.
Yes.
तो थोड़ा और हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो जैसे एक चीज आपने और बताई थी कि लाइक एजेंट के थ्रू हम लोग जाते हैं, तो आप क्या सजेशन देते हैं जो आजकल यूथ आ रहा है?
Like there was 2 guys.
क्या
like,
तरीका है?
I will tell you this example. My same hometown.
Okay.
One guy was in my same street, and one more guy is like in different street. both of them contacted me. That was my second ship as a third mate.
Okay.
So they want to join Merchant Navy after 12th.
Okay.
I gave, one guy was asking me, I want to pursue HND, Higher Nautical Diploma.
Okay.
1 year in India and 1 year in UK.
Mm-hmm.
So I told him directly, bro, it's not good actually.
Right.
End of the day, COC, if you compare UK COC and Indian COC,
Correct.
equal value.
Okay.
Like कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
Mm-hmm.
But one more guy, I told him, just after 12th, join some coaching center, study for exams, and do the sponsorship companies. He tried with MMSI, tried with MSc, Fleet Management, ESM, and Shell.
Okay.
So all the sponsorship company he tried, he got placed with MMSI.
Okay.
So now he is going. He did his. The company told him to do his DNS course in TS Rahman. He did in TS Rahman. 1 year finished. Now he joined as a deck cadet.
Okay.
The other guy, he's like 1 year finished in India. Now he will spend again 13 lakhs to 14 lakhs to UK courses are not like not very cheap.
Yeah. But
right?
they're thinking like this, na?
Yeah.
We will go
We
to
will
the
go
UK.
to yes.
Something
It's
like
not. It's not cheap. Actually, before like in 2024, DG Shipping passed circular. The UK courses are banned in India.
Correct.
Now you cannot even do the courses in India.
Correct. Then what is the meaning going outside?
So even one day matters, guys. Like even for every day, money is like.
And if you are spending 13 lakh for there, better you complete it here and go for the tour.
Yes.
क्योंकि
You are
होता है
absolutely right.
सब लोग सोचते हैं कि हम उधर जाके पढ़ाई करेंगे और मजे करेंगे, तो बेटर है पढ़ाई यहाँ पूरी कंप्लीट कर लो और फॉर 1 lakh 2 lakh एंड एंजॉय देयर.
Yes, yes.
तो बेटर है ना. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग फॉर गोइंग आउट? ओके. सो आप मतलब प्लेसमेंट, like you know, placement now it is very big issue because rush is coming.
Yes.
So how we have to go through this? Like we have to go through the agent, or we have to do the sponsorship.
Yeah,
we have to do
better option is sponsorship. If you ask me, instead of doing this BSc you're saying go for sponsorship. That's the best option. You can get like wherever you want. You will get the best companies with no cheating.
So हमारे एनोल सजेशन बराबर सही दे रहे हैं कि आप अगर आपको मर्चेंट नेवी में जाना है तो बेटर यू विल गेट द स्पॉन्सरशिप, देन यू कम हियर. So you will have the right way to enter in the merchant navy. So आपने जैसे how many years you have completed in the sea?
See, my cadet ship was 22 and my last 2 ships were 13 months and this one already 3 months. So 22 plus 13 is how much? 35 plus 3, 38.
So 38 months you have completed.
Yes.
So you have a quite experience in the sea.
Yeah, that's true.
So can you have faced any rough weather and like adventurous situation?
Yes, my first ship, like it taught me like too many things. Actually, I've seen like plenty of situations there only. Nearly we abandoned the ship.
Oh my God. See, पहले जहाज पे ही इनकी ऐसी कंडीशन आ गई कि अब जहाज छोड़ के भागना पड़ेगा.
Nearly. But that was like the captain was so cool and he handled the situation very well. And I got fire there.
Oh.
Fire also. My ship was agrounded. And
can you tell some views for our viewers?
Okay, the abandoned ship was happened like what happened was initially. My vessel we were going to Palembang, Indonesia. So we were loading. While going inside, no problem. After coming back, the vessel got agrounded in the bank, river bank. That was a river. Okay. In the river bank, the vessel got agrounded. So after that, we just did all the checks inside everything. We gone through the checklist only, company checklist only. And initially it was okay. But then the vessel was going to Vietnam. And in the Vietnam, what happened was one ballast tank got cracked and water was flowing. And the water was flowing, like the ballast tank got full and the water should come from the deck top. Okay. Right?
So deck top से पानी भी आना है.
पानी आना है.
Okay.
But what happened was the vent pipeline got cut off inside the void space and the water started flowing inside the void space.
Okay.
So during the voyage, my officer on watch felt like why the vessel is trimming by head,
Correct. Okay.
right? So then we just stopped the vessel and we gone to the void space. We opened the void space and we found out that like 5 meters of water is inside the void space. 5 meters, sir. Like
तो
three people
आप
can-
देखिए समझ सकते हैं कि एक आप नेविगेटिंग ऑफिसर हो आप और यू आर वाचिंग एंड सडनली यू आर सीइंग दैट वेसल इज डाउन बाय हेड इज गोइंग
Yes.
इट इज लाइक दिस then suddenly like fear always
Yes,
came
yes, yes.
then you call सबको call करेंगे
Once
सबको
we opened it, everybody got a panic.
panic of course
And,
like कि बस अब गए अंदर ही जाने वाले हैं ऐसा लगेगा नहीं
Yes.
okay
Then captain told nothing will happen. Everybody be quiet. And the vessel was fully loaded also.
okay
Ammonia with ammonia. And we just gone to the cabins. Like I remember, I gone to my cabin. I took my life jacket, put on the bed. I took my bag, put the certificates.
ट्रेनिंग सब याद आ गया होगा कि सबसे पहले क्या करना है
And put the bag. Then I was having some dollars also. I remember at that time that dollars was like very big money for me. And I put that also. I kept it for my exams. Everything in the bag. I put that bag in the bed. Then I was going for the job.
इसको ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब डूबने वाले हैं
हम्म।
और डूबने से पहले अपना डॉक्यूमेंट पैसा नहीं छोड़ने का है सोचा कि लाइफ बोट बचा लेगी है okay
Yes.
फिर-
Then after that, we just gone inside. Everybody was putting life boy inside the void space. Can you imagine?
Oh.
Life boy inside the void space. We were swimming around. We opened the manhole. Like we put Weldon pump, submersible pump, everything, and the ballast pump also running. Captain told to engine room empty all the ballast tanks. So we emptied all the ballast tanks, and the pumping out was also happening. Meanwhile, we put some like wood inside the void space,
like
so
for choking that
for choking the water
water.
further water coming in. So we stopped the water first, then we were discharging all the water. So once it come to like this level, like 1.5 meters, then we opened the manhole. Then all the water to the ballast tank, then to the ballast pump, we emptied the. And after that, we found out there was a leak in the hull and got
So
repaired
it's
in
like
data.
grounded somewhere. Huh?
Yes.
It's like touch something.
Yes. A small crack.
So it was like a grounded or some brittle fracture.
Grounded. It's because of
Oh.
grounding. Yeah.
So you are in the some channel or what?
Yeah. I told you Indonesia, Paningmang. That
Okay.
was a river bank.
Okay.
So
but
when we come out, our vessel got grounded.
but you know that we grounded like suppose you are going and you are monitoring the UKC and all that.
Yeah.
So it's like some touch
That
also going.
no. We grounded, proper grounded, and we were staying in that place for 2 days
Okay.
because of grounding.
So after when you come out,
Yeah.
then you not check for.
We
hull?
checked everything,
Hmm.
but white space, nobody will open the ballast tank, right?
Okay. Okay. So hull also underwater survey.
No. With that one, we haven't carried out. Underwater survey was not carried out.
I think that's a mistake by the company, huh?
Maybe.
Because like if you are grounded, if you are not doing the
But we thought like after initial, it was a mud ground actually. It should not happen.
but it's grounding is grounding.
Yes.
Of course, we have to do
Yes.
like okay,
That's true.
it should not be. Suppose you are also some way ground someday, so you have to insist the company also कि
Yes.
at least एक बार underwater survey करवा लीजिए क्योंकि is like costing ना.
Yes.
So if a small company they will avoid if vessel is going then okay, but if mid ocean then क्या करोगे?
Yeah, mid ocean. That was happening in mid ocean,
हाँ,
right? Yeah.
क्या करोगे? चलो उस
That's why
समय
everybody was that scared.
captain was experienced, so you will all
He handled
try.
the situation very well actually. The captain.
So ये हमेशा हमारे व्यूअर्स ध्यान रखिए कि जब आप शिप में हैं और कभी भी इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन आ जाए तो डोंट पैनिक, क्योंकि अगर आप पैनिक होते हैं तो आपके साथ सारे पैनिक भी हो जाते हैं. तो बेटर है कि यू विल स्टे काम एंड डू व्हाट यू कैन डू टू सर्वाइव योरसेल्फ. ओके, तो थोड़ा सा और आगे चलते हैं. जैसे आपने शिप का अपना एक्सपीरियंस होता है, तो आपका जैसे आप फर्स्ट शिप आपने ज्वाइन किया होगा, यू विल अर्न टू मेनी डॉलर्स एंड ऑल दैट. सो व्हेन यू गो टू द शिप, आपके घर वालों का क्या रिएक्शन था? व्हाट वाज द रिएक्शन ऑफ योर
Because
फ्रेंड्स एंड लाइक दैट?
yeah, but that was like not too much change actually because you know my hometown was like everybody going for shipping.
ओके.
So that time that was like not a big issue. Like they haven't I was going to. I remember I was just like
okay.
going to home. Yeah. Come, like sit, coffee. Yeah, that's it. Like normal.
तो किसी का कुछ ऐसा बहुत अच्छा लगे, अरे यार आ गया मेरा दोस्त, आ गया मेरा बेटा?
No. No.
So like you have suppose you have like around you too many friends, and some of not got placed also on that time.
Yes. Still now, like too many people are not joined the ship and.
So उनका क्या रिएक्शन था, यार तू तो जहाज करके आ गया यार, मेरा क्या होगा यार?
Yeah, that's like they used to. Whenever I call my friends, they used to tell me like, yeah, it feels sad also, right? Because they're your friend.
अरे वो एक ऑल इज वेल मूवी का है ना, थ्री
Three
इडियट्स मूवी
Idiots,
का,
हाँ.
कि अगर फेल हो जाता है, पास हो गया तो साला और खराब लगता है, तो वो वाला सीन। आप शिप में जाके वापस आ गए और उनका भी प्लेसमेंट भी नहीं हुआ। ओके, तो और कुछ जैसे आप सो यू आर यू मैरिड?
No.
सो यू हैव अ गर्लफ्रेंड?
No.
तो सी फेरर की अगर गर्लफ्रेंड बनती भी है तो वो छोड़ देती है।
Yeah, that happens.
सो इट हैपेंस, लेकिन अगर हाँ इफ शी इज सीरियस फॉर यू,
Yeah, tell to all girls, huh?
बिल्कुल
बिल्कुल.
कि डोंट लीव द सी फेरर बिकॉज
Yes.
सी फेरर इज द ट्रस्टेड मैन।
Yes.
और चलो ठीक है, ये
Yes.
थोड़ा
This is
सा
like okay. Just
ओके
change the topic.
ओके। सो लाइक अभी आपने पहला जहाज ज्वाइन किया, दूसरा जहाज ज्वाइन किया, तो आप उसके बाद आपने एग्जाम भी दिया होगा। तो एग्जाम देने के बाद जब आप एज अ ऑफिसर ज्वाइन किए, like first time as an officer, how you feels and like can you
Yeah,
share?
that I want to share actually. Like first exam when I cleared my last exam, right?
Hmm.
So when the examiner declared that okay, Arnold, you can switch off, we are passing you. And that moment I remember nobody was around. I was alone in the computer and was there. Now it's online, right? So we were just video call in the MMD. But like I still remember that moment. It's sometimes I will get goosebumps.
Right, of course. It's very
It's like how much struggle we were. Like we were. I still remember in Chennai. I was not having my food actually because like no money, right? Like
Right.
we will do all the courses and everything. So there is no money. घर में पूछने के लिए भी थोड़ा सा शर्म लगता है.
शर्म लगता है।
शर्म लगता है. Then I was like haven't ate for like for 1 week. What I will do is morning I will skip the breakfast. Afternoon no.
Okay.
I'll just have a chai. Then dinner I will do something for like small. And full day I will survive only with water. Drink plenty of waters and study. So that much struggle I was going through. And some good people's like they even send me money to even this Musk friend, right?
Okay.
My friend's father, I told
Yeah.
he is like best friend of mine. Like he also used to help me. So he cleared the exam first. He was a stud mate that time. I was giving exams, and once he told that you are passed, like whole world stopped actually.
Right.
Like everything was blur, and I don't know what to do. I was like shouting like anything inside that room. So after that, I just gone outside and yeah, had a chai with guts. You have like
आज मैं पूरा पेट भर के खाएगा।
दुनिया जीत गया भाई मैं. That kind of thing.
Like obvious है। जब आप
like after joining the first ship, like every third mates, and like this is the advice for every new third mate.
Yeah.
Once you become a new third mate, just don't think like, hey, I have achieved everything and joined the ship.
Right.
I did the same mistake and got bamboo for that.
Okay.
So just like there is captain, chief officer, and second officer.
They also cleared, huh?
They
So,
also
like,
cleared the exam. So just don't go and show your attitude with them. Be kind, be polite, and just stay safe. That's it.
क्योंकि जब हम एग्जाम देते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि हम ही बस हैं,
हाँ,
हमने ही ये एग्जाम
मैंने
क्लियर
दिया,
किया
मैंने दिया, मैंने पास करके आया हुआ है. That kind of guts you will have inside. Like it's not guts also. Like I don't know exact word.
Actually, it's like confidence.
Yeah,
But
overconfidence.
it
actually.
converted to the overconfidence. Yeah. Because we struggle so much,
Yeah.
and after that we achieve something.
Yes.
So it feel like okay, yes, I have done.
I am the man now.
But don't forget, जहाज पे जो है ऑलरेडी
Already?
वो भी क्लियर करके
Yes,
आए हैं
yes.
और इवन मोर
Yes.
दे हैव क्लियर चीफ
Chief
मेट,
mate
दे हैव
and yes,
मास्टर,
masters.
सो
Yes, yes, yes.
so calm down,
Yeah.
baby, calm down.
Just stay on your limits, sir.
You are third officer, not a
Yeah,
captain,
not
huh?
captain, yeah.
So for the
Still,
captain,
still there is way to go.
yeah.
Too much.
So yeah, this happens to me also. Like first time, no.
Yeah.
So I fight with the my duty AV
Okay.
कि ये करने का मतलब ये करने का. Then
Yes,
she
yes.
officer, okay, नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता है, आराम से दोनों को सबके.
And that is also like a huge mistakes the trust officers used to do. Treat ABs and like treat the crew ratings in the less manner. Like, bro, yeah.
मैं
There
काम
also
क्लियर कर दिया, तुम नहीं.
Yeah, yes.
तो
Don't do that
देखिए,
shit. Yeah.
जो फ्रेशर्स हैं
Mm.
और जो ज्वाइन करते हैं, अगर वो कैडेट भी हैं
Mm.
और या जो एग्जाम दे के आ रहे हैं,
Treat everybody with respect. That's what I used to tell.
तो ऑब्वियस है आप जहाज पे हैं, वी आर अ टीम, लाइक वी आर,
Yes.
दिस इज योर नेक्स्ट
Absolutely.
होम.
Yes.
लेकिन ये हमें कब रियलाइज होता है, बाद में, जब हम काफी टाइम तक इसमें वापस आते हैं.
Mm.
But in the starting time we don't feel like that,
Yes.
but so this is your vessel is like a second home. क्योंकि आप घर में आप 3 महीने 4 महीने रुकते हो, यहाँ आप 6 महीने 9 महीने भी रुक जाते हो.
Yes.
तो घर से ज्यादा आप यहाँ रुकते हो.
Exactly, yes.
सो बिहेव कि आप फैमिली मेंबर हैं और उस हिसाब से आपको माहौल भी घर
Mm.
शिप में आपको उसे अच्छा बना के रखना
Mm.
चाहिए. Okay, so let's discuss anything you want to, like any enjoyment party or any struggle time of the vessel that everyone is good but you feeling lonely. Something happened.
Yeah, that's like
It's
thing
called,
that-
actually it's called homesickness, huh?
yeah.
So it is
It's not homesickness actually. If something happens somewhere, like for example, if okay, how to explain that? I'll give an example. Huh? This is not for mine. I'm just giving an example. If you are talking with your wife,
Okay.
and if your duty AB is having a fight with his wife and he is not talking for 1 month, 1
Correct.
week or one.
Correct.
Yeah. So when you are talking
Which
to your wife in front of him, so how he will feel? Arey maine aisa kar diya. So he will feel very lonely and he will feel that thing, right? So the same thing happened to me a lot. Like
कि everyone is talk, सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं
mm,
और मैं किससे बात
किससे बात कर रहे
किससे बात कर
हैं?
रहे होता है.
Yes.
और फिर होता है कि we have, suppose we have some internet also
Mm.
and everyone is waiting for कि नेट आ गया या इंटरनेट आ गया या सिग्नल आ गया.
Mm.
और
Yeah.
और तुम देख रहे हो साला सब बात कर रहे हैं,
See?
मैं किससे बात कर रहे हैं.
Still I could show you. Today
मैं
is
किससे बात कर रहे हैं.
today is how much Saturday, right?
हाँ.
Today is Saturday, and I will show you. You would not believe me. Even if people are still complaining like I am not getting much more internet, because here we are getting 1 GB per week.
See,
So-
1 GB पर वीक है, ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज्यादा भी है और
So
बहुत
you
कम
can
भी है.
just see how much I got. Where is the camera? Yeah. Still I got nearly 800. 800. Sorry, I cannot. It's blurring.
So 800 is
See,
still
you can
remaining.
verify 900.
900.
See?
So he spent only 100
100
MB है
MB per week.
in week.
Yeah.
So मतलब ये लग रहा है कि लोनली अकेला आदमी है,
But
अकेला
I don't-
आदमी है.
I love my loneliness actually, and like you see, I got all the gadgets with me. I got phones, speaker, laptop, and I'll play games and everything. So yeah,
नहीं, अकेले देखो, अगर आपको लगता है कि घर से बात नहीं हो रही है, गर्लफ्रेंड से बात नहीं हो रही है, तो दोस्तों से बात करो.
yes.
दोस्तों से भी नहीं हो रही तो जो आसपास यार दोस्त बना रखे उनसे बात करो. नहीं है तो रिश्तेदारों से बात करो, लेकिन बात करो.
बात करो.
क्योंकि बात करने से क्या होता है कि जो एक लोनलीनेस रहता है,
नेगेटिव एनर्जी बाहर जाता है.
हाँ, नेगेटिव एनर्जी बाहर जाता है. जैसे अभी हम आए हैं, बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं,
Yes.
तो इस लाइक अच्छा माहौल बनता है. बात करने से अच्छे आप खेल के आ जाओ, खेलने चले जाओ. सम लोग खेलते हैं, जैसे हमारे कैप्टन साहब टीटी खेलते हैं, मैं भी कभी कभी टीटी खेल लेता हूँ. तो आप खेलो, कम से कम बात करो. लेकिन अकेला कैबिन में घुस के हमेशा नहीं रहना चाहिए. और खासकर जब आप शिप में हैं और किसी ने ऐसा भी होता है, कभी कभी किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो आप सोचते रहे, अरे यार ऐसा, मैं कल उसको ऐसा बोलेगा, कल उसको वो करेगा, मैं वो
Yes,
करेगा,
yes, yes, yes. This things happens with me a lot.
हाँ
If
शिप में ज्यादा
somebody,
होता
yeah,
है नहीं।
both होता है ये
हाँ
सब. Like if I am doing something in work, if somebody tells to me, like if they're telling in a calm manner,
हाँ
if you are wrong, yeah, okay, we are wrong, we can accept.
okay.
But if somebody will
Shout
shout
type,
at
हाँ
you, that's like that's a bad thing actually. To avoid that, it makes you also, the guy who is shouting also will feel bad, and
करेक्ट।
the guy who is listening also will feel bad, and your work is also will be.
तो और एक चीज और, जो हमारी गर्लफ्रेंड वाइफ वगैरह है, यार दोस्त हैं, अगर हम फोन करें तो उठा लिया कीजिए
Mm.
और बात करते रहा कीजिए, क्योंकि जब आप बात नहीं करते हैं तो यहाँ हम अकेले हैं सब, क्योंकि सब लोग अपनी अपनी ड्यूटी में बिजी हैं, और आप बात नहीं कर रहे हैं तो हम और अकेले हो जाते हैं।
Yes.
तो आप बात करते रहिए, क्योंकि आपका ही प्रेजेंस हमारा प्रेजेंस है, और हमारा प्रेजेंस आप सेंस मत कीजिए। तो थोड़ा सा और आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो लाइक जैसे अभी आपने बताया कि ये एक होम सिकनेस कभी कभी होता है,
Mm.
तो ऐसा भी कभी कुछ ऐसा लगता है कि आपको कुछ चीज आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताना चाहते हैं कि ये चीज आप जहाज पे हैं, या हमारे घर में जो उधर फैमिली है लैंड पे, उनको आप कुछ सजेशन देना चाहेंगे आप अपनी तरफ से, लाइक आप सी फेरर हो,
Yeah.
आपके फैमिली भी है, कि ये चीज ना करे,
Okay.
एटलीस्ट हम
Okay.
आपके साथ और उनके साथ भी।
Okay. So what I want to tell is like people used to call. Okay, whenever you are calling, just try to avoid sharing all the like very bad problems. If they are sharing the hugest problem with you, like it's a good thing actually they are sharing, but let that problem wait. And if you are like, if you wait for 2-3 days, the problem, yeah, whichever problem, it will solve automatically, right? So once it's solved, if they bring that to you, okay. Because I've seen like one guy attempting to take his life on his own.
Oh.
So in the ship only. So if you know that this thing will happen, just try
You
to.
cannot do anything.
Yes.
It's like that कि अगर आप घर पे कुछ हो जाता है, it's like बड़ा कुछ हो जाता है, और आपने अपने सीफेरर को बताया और वो यहाँ से कुछ कर नहीं पा रहा है, तो वो इट्स लाइक फील मजबूर, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कि अभी मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता, तो वो थोड़ा सा डिप्रेशन में जाने की कंडीशन होती है। और ऐसा भी है, सीफेरर के लिए भी मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि अगर आप जहाज पे हैं और बहुत परेशान है, तो आपको घर में नहीं बताना है कि मम्मी पापा ने, कैप्टन ने कर दिया और ये कर दिया, वो लोग परेशान हैं। हाँ, ये कैडेट, अगर आप उसको मैनेज कर सकते हैं, लाइक आप एक्सट्रीम में हैं तभी आप बताइए, लेकिन अगर आप उसको मैनेज कर सकते हैं और आप दोस्तों को बताते, लिए घर में थोड़ा दोस्तों को आप बताइए, यार दोस्तों को बताइए, लेकिन घर में क्या होता है, वो लोग परेशान हो जाएंगे, मेरा लड़का अभी अभी गया है, पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा। तो ये चीज ध्यान रखिए। तो और चलो फिर अभी आप सर का जाने का टाइम भी हो गया,
ड्यूटी का टाइम हो गया अभी। चीफ
तो
अफसर फिर तो मारेगा मेरे को।
तो जाते जाते एक और हमारा क्वेश्चन, जनरली मैं सबसे अपने व्यूअर से पूछता हूँ कि अगर आपको एक मैजिक स्टिक मिल जाए, जादू की छड़ी,
ओके,
तो आप क्या करना चाहेंगे फॉर सीफेरर?
For seafarers, I'll just take out all the bullshit rules and regulations, and I will make the port calls very accessible for seafarers especially. Like you see, we are here, and the ports are also not allowing us to go ashore, and too much regulations. And seafarers should be respected all around the world because we are moving 90% of your cargo, sir.
Correct. So basically ये अपनी जादू की छड़ी से ऐसा रूल बनाना चाहेंगे कि जहाँ जहाँ सीफेरर को रेस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलती है, तो उनको कम से कम रेस्पेक्ट की नजरिए से देखा जाए, कम से कम उनको अलाउ किया जाए, ओके यू कैन गो, इतने दिन बाद आए हो, यू कैन गो फॉर द शोर लीव
and everything,
and you can have some good time.
And rules भी ऐसा बनाने का कि the rest of us, everything should comply with your rest of us.
चलो ठीक है सर, अभी चलते हैं फिर अपने, नमस्कार। एंड आप हमारे रैंडम सोच में आए और आपने अपना वैल्यूएबल टाइम दिया, तो सर चलते हैं एंड मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। और हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए कुछ आप मैसेज भी देते जाइए।
सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए, और लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, और वो बेल बटन दबाइए।
करेक्ट करेक्ट, चलो भाई, बाय
सपोर्ट
बाय,
माय सेकंड
थैंक यू,
ऑफिसर। थैंक यू।
बाय।